Hey there, so I parked the bike over here. Fuck. I just forgot to remove the fucking keys. Yeah. One, two, three. Lock. So brother, yeah, we park over here. It's going to be muddy today. But yeah. One more thing is, yeah, I fucking reached to the fucking job that I fucking hate the most. And as well, I got late again. What the fuck is this? Like crazy thing is happening. I still ride the bike bit faster than ever before, but I still got late. So I just hate this. Fuck. So signing off. There, so I reach home. Guess what? Tomorrow and day after tomorrow is holiday, so I can utilize all of this time for doing the lectures. Yes, that I can able to finally finish this lectures pretty quick. Let's get ready, and yeah, I should be trading when I get out from this bullshit motherfucking job, but I didn't. I just forgot. Let's do it. Let's get ready. Also, I have rescheduled all of the my schedule. I rescheduled this my daily schedule. I'm going to start waking up at 5 o'clock rather than 6 o'clock. Holy shit, I just got ready in 15 minutes. I'm getting so good in this with this new schedule. I have really redefined all of this, and I'm really using my time in with me rather than without me. I'm just not be able to explain what I'm saying. Hold on. I'm thinking to go on terrace, but this water is getting filled. It is going to take the 10 minutes. So after so long time, I'm just opening my laptop. Boom. Here we go. Do the daily review, which is going to get finished within 10 minutes maybe. Once that is done, then we will be going on terrace and then we'll do the trade review, trade recap. I think so. We came back to the break even. I haven't close it yet because we have tomorrow's day as well. I don't give a fuck about stop loss take profit. This is what is signing off. Let's do it. I need to use my time so efficiently because we have like nearly today's day, tomorrow's day, after tomorrow's day. Need to be more perfectly use my time to get back to the because we are behind again of the schedule of the lecture schedule. Let's do it. Hello everyone, I came on terrace to do the lecture and guess what, this is beautiful. This is a view I am having while I do the lecture. Fuck it. And guess what? Now I have to change the dress after I go home. Thanks a lot. I thought I will be signing up, but fucking a lot of sun around there. So I'll wait for a little bit sunset as well. That the intensity of sun rays will get less. The intensity of me getting tan will also start the lecture. I'm really going to record my aha. Look at this, like look at this. He literally said in his course, we need the price to the at the area of hints. We need daily. We can't say daily candles low. It happens to have the daily candles closure on the area of God awesome if we don't. And the most important thing is if we can let's talk about if we have the candles closure on the area of I probably wait for a reject candle then to take the trade. But what is that? But if you take the trade whichever is there are two, either at the area of interest or I will only show you either at the area of interest candle or the rejection, the doji candlestick. So which is more powerful? So he explained me that rejection candle is more powerful, but we wanted to take the trade if when the price is at the area of it, go ahead no matter what. So should be taking a fucking trade, man. I look at this, like I want to record this.
The area of interest. Basically, a big example, right? Rejection. Right here. Right here.
This mosquito is like killing me.
At area of interest. These two candlesticks are at the area of interest. These two candlesticks are rejection of the area of interest. Basically, they're both confirmation when it's at or reject. Which one is stronger? Merely when it's rejecting. So you want to wait for the rejection, or you can take the trade when it's at it and then you do series. This makes sense. Say yes.
This is fucking crazy, brother. He literally died. You can do whatever you want. Like, yeah, rejection will be awesome, but if you have rejection. And I was waiting for rejection candle. First of all, I was waiting for the daily candlestick closer on the area, and that was making it missing. This is like aha moment about whatever I'm having the material. I'm getting good in this. So pretty much I'm getting the answer of my question that do we need the daily candles closer on the area of it or not. If we got, we got. If we don't, we don't. We got rejection candle awesome. Don't got candle awesome. That's pretty much it. This is fucking it. Signing off, brother. I will continue to do this later, and if I get some aha moment things, I will back and record. Late. 3, 2, 1.
Very severe.
Let's do some motherfucking things. Look at that Doraemon star. Look at that. Look at the boy. Look at. पकडला काय बघितलं आता काय करू बघितलं आम्ही काय केलं तू कशाला रे कशाला काही पण करत बसतो वरती येऊन टेरेस वर त्या ह्याच्यासाठी वरती येतो का सांगू तू पप्पा सांगू का अभ्यास करत नाही काय नाही नुसतं टाइमपास करतोस डोरेमॉन एड्या चला लेक्चर स्टार्ट करा बेटांनो I just came on terrace because the sunset is pretty much about to happen and my this is not fall right because there is so fucking air look at this guy is look at this guy is floating literally shit so yeah this is how it looks like let's play it
Cool. So now that we are at
holy shit this is like a picture perfect go kitty re look at this like I'm fucking I'm a bullshit now I'm feeling like I'm fucking bullshit look at this should be focused on looking the lectures look at this what he said again he said
now that we understand that we are at the area of interest.
thumb reverse look at this look at what he said fucking crazy boy okay now it will say okay 3 2 1 say sir Alex will you say now hello Alex yeah now it
Alright, cool.
now it's going
So
to say.
now that we understand that we are at the area of interest or we're rejecting the area of interest, what matters is that we're at it. If we're like once we're at it, it's game on. You don't have to wait for a rejection. You don't have to. Rejection is just another confirmation. It's not going to be more percentages in the grade. It's just a little bit better. There's really none of this. I don't even want to complicate it with a analogy. It's just
Yup, Doraemon.
yeah. When you're surfing, right?
अभ्यास करू दे मला टाइम
When you're at the wave, it's just better if the wave is smooth, like this shit right here, than if it were to be bumpy than this right here. When you're at the wave, for you to surf the wave, you want there to be a smooth surface so it's easier. But you'll still ride that shit if there's other bumps because what matters is the wave at it. So now when you go get on it, you're gonna either decide if you're gonna have a closer stance or a wider stance. The point is that nothing changes when you're at it or if you're like it just makes sense.
तुला ढकलो का डोरेमॉन बाप रे I literally wasted my oh man oh fuck man I literally wasted my 6 to 9 to 10 months literally by just waiting for motherfucking canister rejection on the area of interest साइडला सरक नाही तर मी ढकल तुला I was getting so much regret right now holy fucking shit like crazy like this is only the reason we should be focused on the lectures man I was binged watching the lectures but the first time in my life I know exactly how I can enhance the lecture and understand the whole thing by creating the notes of that same lecture look at this thing crazy I'm creating lectures note lecture 10 lecture 11 done lecture 17 Doraemon इकडे चल मला मारायचं चल इकडे चल गुड बाय चल holy fucking shit look at this view as well oh look at that crazy Doraemon good boy good Doraemon पंजरे fuck me yaar fucking crazy I was using my fucking brain that brain was poor I must be using some new information. This is fucking new information. I was just waiting for the rejection on it. Should I hit my head? What the fuck? Like crazy. We just don't need the rejection. We can add confidence, motherfucker. It's added confidence. I can't even tell this. So much dhool. But I was using this as I was using the daily candlestick closure on the airfield. As the motherfucker. I want this. That is only the reason I was missing trades on trades. Doraemon! Let's do the lecture. I'm gonna repeat this again because I have got distracted using the camera. I'm literally reading the notes of every single minute, every single point. So that do you believe this is a fucking lecture I have literally saw 3 times and now again I'm saying this and this is probably why I was wanting this. This is fucking crazy. I have never ever man. Fuck man like crazy. I was fucking wasted my time. Hey Doraemon! चल इकडे चल to this holy shit man holy shit
You can see how once you're at the area of interest, you unlock
crazy.
all of these other confidence. interest of interest. Cool.
Cool. Holy fucking shits. This is crazy, you know. My eyes are getting inside my face. Literally, I can feel that. Because my eyes are like overused with the screens. Look at this. It's all making sense. Like he's saying that you just need to take the trade when you have the 2 time frame thing. And guess fucking what? When I was in challenge phase, I literally remember to myself that 90% of time I have to the trade which is 2 time frame in sync. Literally 2 time frame in sync. Either weekly and daily. Bullish, 4 hours doesn't give a fuck. Or daily and 4 hours in sync. Daily bullish, 4 hours bullish, and weekly doesn't give a fuck. This is the fucking it is happening. After that, after November, we started taking literally low probable, no currencies, no correct sinking trades. We didn't take the trade. I still remember I was looking at JPY currency in January, first week of January, which I missed literally $2,000. I was literally going to make $2,000. I missed. It feels right now, but it is what it is. I mean, as a professional trader, I have to don't give a fuck about the things which has happened. There was a 2 time frame in sync in that type of currency, and trades I have take there was no 2 time frame in sync, and literally the current trade which I wanted. This thing is getting uploaded. If you can see, you can see. If you don't, you don't. Thing is getting uploaded. I literally have recorded Sunday swing and I forgot to upload. Now it is getting uploaded. But the things which I'm learning right now. If you see right now the trade which we have took Euro USD. It doesn't have 2 time frame in sync. Though 2 time frame in sync, we need a 2 time frame in sync. Either weekly bullish, daily bullish. Crazy. Look at this. I don't give a fuck about this trade, but I see. Right now we just don't have 2 time frame in sync right now because our weekly is bearish, weekly is right now bearish, daily is bullish, and the 4 hours is bearish. So exactly I said it is doing the exactly as I said. It has created the lower high. Now it is going to create the new lower low as per the probability it should, but this is not the high probable setup. This right there is the low probable setup, and as per the Alex teaching, we should be looking for high probable setups because that's what actually move the needle. That is what actually moves the needle. Taking the low probable setup is taking the fucking low probable setup, and after November 2025 I was getting the high probable setup. Not gonna lie, fuck I shit, I'm just getting a regret on regret like anything. Why in the world I haven't focused on the lecture which I should? I was fucked up, man. I realize every single thing now. I literally, if I were having 2 time frame in sync and I was doing the exact thing which he's taught, I would end up in New York. Right? Seriously, I promise. I have the track record of the missing trades as well on the YouTube. You just go and watch it. I just missed the trade because of the daily candlestick closer on the reference trace. That's what my entry trigger was, and he said, if you have, you have. If you don't, you don't. You still can take the trade, and I'm like, fuck. If I were knowing this early, I would end up right now in New York having a lot more friends, going to parties, and having good life. And my mom dad will be financial free. They will be never ever going to be working, and we would end up making 2 crore, nearly $200,000 in dollars. It's $200,000 in INR. It's nearly 2 crore. The life the life was beautiful, but it's because of my mistakes. Because of my fucking mistakes, I was just rush. I was just in a rush to get the shit things done. Makes me lose more. Now I understand like anything. Now I literally have understand anything, every single thing. Man, I came so far, and after giving so far, I fucking understand this. Crazy, a lot crazy. And this video is going to get clipped because now this thing is going to change the whole entire shit thing, brother. I'm not gonna lie. This thing is going to change a lot. Now you just see the progress of me, like from here to directly zoom. Not even like this. It's going to be like this. Just see me, because now I have understand the bread and butter of this. You won't even believe what is coming. We're going to shift to the New York pretty much within maximum 4 months, and I can literally feel this, that the job we are currently having, this is my last month of the current job which I'm right now, because I'm getting back on track. I'm fucking getting back on the track. You know, I'm just not going to say every single thing right now, because when the time comes, I will. Right now, it's not a correct time to explain and to say. When the time comes, I will explain you and say it. For right now, continue this lecture and let's be in this regret, because when I will be in this regret, I will be getting more push to more focused on what actually matters and get out from this what I'm actually having right now. So yeah, do this lecture. Boom.
Yes.
View. Look at this view. It's crazy. Holy shit! Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Like, oh, I got something for you. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. This looks crazy. Shit. This does looks crazy. Hold on. Let me just shoot it more clearly. No, we need to do this like 3, 2, 1. Oh, great. No, I just won't be able to do. Yeah. Holy fucking shit. This is fucking crazy. Oh my. You can see. If you don't, you don't. My goodness, look at that. And there is no filter. Okay, this is like a real life. You're seeing exactly how I'm able to see this, and this video is getting uploaded. Bullshit. Okay, 1 mbps is came rather than 10 mbps, and the lecture was about to finish like after 9 minutes. My schedule is saying, brother, it's that's so much brightness around there. My schedule is saying, brother, you need to do the washroom right now, and after that you need to go back to the lectures again. That's what and plus my phone is about to die, so if my phone dies, I will not be able to do the lecture because it's all streaming online. So fucking annoying. Let's do it. Let's go down and let's do the stuff which is need to be done. I shouldn't be saying this on camera. Fucking crazy. I'm getting mad at this. Super freaking sleepy right now. And look at the fucking background noise. Someone crying, someone talking. Man, sleepy like I just got inside. Look at this. Look at this. Just got inside. Jesus. Let's play this.
Great in class. You can learn great.
Brother, I make coffee.